Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare vegetable pulao with normal rice. The vegetables here I have taken is cauliflower and peas. It's rich in protein and fiber and colon, and tomatoes, onions, green chili, ginger, garlic, fennel seeds, cashew, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and bay leaf. Here is mint and coriander, and I have taken 1 cup of normal ponni rice. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Let's grind few things for making as a paste. Fennel seeds, green chili, ginger, garlic, mint and coriander leaves. Let's grind them and keep it separate. And next I'm going to add oil in a pressure cooker, and I'm going to salt each and every ingredient and then close the cooker for 2 whistles. And our pulao is going to be ready. First let's add these ingredients and sort it. It's enough, you can use less oil for this recipe. Using less oil is good for health too. You can use any oil. And we should know the importance of all the vegetables which we are consuming. If you take the Japanese people, from the childhood for the children's, they will teach them the nutritional value of each and every recipes they take in, and they don't use much oil. If you see Japanese, they are so slim and healthy and active. They give importance to nutritious food. And if you see in Japan, there is a place called Okinawa where there are more than 80,000 people who live for more than 100 years, and still they are so happy and active. They don't have retirement in their life because they follow a principle called as Ikigai. Ikigai means first they concentrate on their work and they love the work which they do. They find out what they love the most, which become as a passion, and they see in which part they are good at and which becomes as a profession. And if they are paid for it, then we call it as a vocation. And when the work which they do is being loved by all the people, it becomes as a mission. So they find out first what is called as Ikigai for each and every person. The meaning of Ikigai itself, finding the value or worth of their life. They don't take retirements, and important thing is when they consume their food, they take only 80% of the food, and they take it very slowly, and they live their life in the moment. They keep their surroundings happily, and they are always surrounded in nature. And this is the lifestyle of Japanese. So our pulao is ready. You can make this healthy pulao and enjoy it with your family members. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.